Please welcome the next student, Bill!
There are so many people. I am very scared.
Can he sing well?
My mom. He cannot sing. Go down, please.
He cannot sing.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, I guess so.
I don't like this at all. I think I can't do it.
Mom, there will be a singing contest at school. I want to join.
That is great. What song will you sing?
I do not know yet.
You can ask your father. He was the main singer in a band.
Dad, were you the main singer in a band?
I was, sweetie. Yes. But that was a long time ago.
Dad, could you help me practice for my singing contest?
Yes. I will help you.
This part is not right. You need to take a deep breath.
Oh, I am trying, Dad.
It is okay. Relax your body. We can practice again.
I'm ready now. I love my mom. Dad, I want to learn to play the guitar to make my performance special.
Oh, wow, it is beautiful.
This is my old guitar from a long time ago. My father bought it for me. I have many good memories with it.
I am not sure if it still works well. Do not worry, we will practice together.
I am trying, Dad.
Yes, you are doing great. Keep trying.
You are both doing so well.
Please do not give him too much pressure. He is still young.
I just want him to try his best.
Oh no, it is broken. What can I do now? Dad, help me!
What happened, Bill?
Oh, it is broken. Could you help me fix it?
We must take it to the repair shop.
No problem. You can sing without the guitar. Focus on your voice, Bill.
I need to practice more. I love my mom. I love my dad. I love my family.
Mom, my throat hurts. I do not know what to do.
You practiced too much. You did not rest enough. I will take you to see the doctor.
You need to talk less and drink more water.
Oh, I have a singing contest next week. What should I do?
A voice does not only come from the throat, but it is also the way you put your feelings into your song. If you rest well and stay calm, you can still sing.
Do not worry too much. You do not need to sing the loudest. You only need to sing with your heart.
Thank you, Dad. Mom, Dad, I feel better now. I am ready for the contest tomorrow. Oh no, I am late. Please take me to school quickly.
Don't worry. Let's go.
No. I am sorry for being late. Oh.
You will sing next. Are you ready?
I am not sure.
Teacher, he can sing later. I can sing now.
Thank you for changing the singing order for me.
You're welcome. I saw you at the hospital.
Really?
My father is the doctor. I heard your story. I am happy you are better now. I hope you sing very well today.
Thank you. I hope you sing well too.
La la la. She sings very well. Can I sing that well?
It's okay, Bill.
Do you want to start again one more time?
Do you really let me do it again?
Of course. Try your best.
Try your best. You can do it. And remember that Dad does not need you to be perfect. He only wants you to not give up.
You can do it, my son.
Please stop the music. Can I start again, please?
I love my mom. I love my dad. I love my family. They make me laugh and play. We sing all day. I love my family. This is my song. This song is for my family. I really love my family.
The first prize goes to Alice. Congratulations, Alice. The second prize goes to Carrie.
Oh no. I think I do not have a prize.
And now for the final award of the day. Congratulations to Bill for winning third place.
Wow. Thank you.
He has the best comeback today.
You did an incredible job up there.
Our boy, we are so proud of you.
I am sorry. I did not get first prize.
I couldn't do what you're doing when I was your age. You've done so well today.
Thank you for always supporting me.
Because we are a family.
As long as we stand together, we can get through anything. Perfect.
Looks lovely, dear. Brings back memories.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.